Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable onboard audio on Dell 6320 Detachable. You can enable or disable onboard audio in BIOS. So once you're in BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on Dell 6320 Detachable. Go to Integrated Devices and find audio. Now you can disable the whole integrated audio or enable it back again, and when it's enabled you can also just disable one of the options, so either the microphone or the internal speaker, like that. So you can adjust these settings based on your needs, and then remember to apply changes. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.